Duke of Sussex's High Court claim against a Home Office decision not to allow him to pay for police protection for himself and his family while in the UK will have its first hearing on Friday. Harry wants to bring his children to visit from the US, but he and his family are unable to return to his home because it is too dangerous, a legal representative for the Duke previously said. Harry and Meghan lost their taxpayer-funded police protection in the aftermath of quitting as senior working royals in early 2020. The Duke is arguing that his private protection team in the US does not have adequate jurisdiction abroad or access to UK intelligence information which is needed to keep his family safe. Friday's preliminary hearing at the High Court at London is expected to cover what parts of the court documents can be made public or must be kept private. Harry has previously said he inherited a risk on being born into the royal family. He briefly returned from LA last year for the July 1 unveiling of the Diana, Princess of Wales memorial statue and, the day before, on June 30, he met seriously ill children and young people at a WellChild garden party and afternoon tea in Kew Gardens, West London. It is understood the Duke's car was chased by photographers as he left. Harry's mother Diana died in a car crash after she was chased by the paparazzi in Paris. Harry and Meghan's security provision was one of the key issues when the couple announced they wanted to step down in January 2020. They were later forced to disclose they had put in place privately funded security arrangements for their move to the US, after then-President Donald Trump said his country would not pay for their protection. Prince William and Prince Harry will thrash out their differences as they reunite for the Queen's Platinum Jubilee celebrations this summer, a royal expert has claimed. The Duke of Cambridge, 39, and Duke of Sussex, 38, are said to have barely spoken and had an incredibly strained relationship after 2 years of rows over Harry's wife and her alleged treatment of staff, the couple's decision to emigrate to America and the tons of truth bombs the Sussexes have dropped in TV interviews watched by tens of millions of people around the world. However, Vanity Fair's Katie Nicholl has now revealed how the brothers will come together for the Queen's celebratory weekend in June. She said the two would be required to appear alongside one another, adding, both brothers will have to make concessions. The Jubilee should give them more of a chance to thrash it out. The relationship between the two has been strained in recent years, but sources recently claimed Prince Harry hoped to be back in the fold in time for the Jubilee. He is expected to return to the UK for the Platinum Jubilee, which will see the country enjoy a 4-day bank holiday from June 2 to 5. It is not known if Meghan Markle, 40, and their children Archie, 2, and 8-month-old Lilibet, will be joining him. The royal is said to have contacted his father for friendly chats and hopes to visit the UK later this year. An insider said, there has been a definite thaw in relations between Harry and Charles. They are on much better terms and have been having friendly chats and video calls. It has been suggested to Harry he may live to regret any lingering family bitterness, and he has taken that on board. There is a feeling he is coming back more into the fold and wants to be closer to his family, the source told the source.